Looks very cool. 11:19. Betsy's here. Betsy, I walked by your desk. I saw these fancy magazines. What is it? Physics Today. Inside, I go, whoa.
Don't be impressed.
She's smart.
It's a subsidiary publication of a group I'm in.
Oh, I was like, whoa.
But every now and then there is some interesting stuff in there, I have to say it. And if you think about it and read it 6 or 7 times, you can actually get a few tidbits out of it.
Well, we were all impressed.
She's our own little scientist.
I leave it there. Yeah.
Sure.
Don't dig any deeper, though, because it gets into hair magazines and stuff after that. So. And here's a look at what's going on with the radar, and you can see the rain is pulling out, the bulk of the rain. This is what came through earlier today and this morning. We are dealing with some scattered showers and patchy drizzle across northern Ohio at this hour, but this is really not a big deal for us. Just some wet sidewalks and wet roads. You can see out over the lake these little showers that have been moving in, and a lot of this is just radar junk that is showing up, so to speak. But we will continue to see some patchy mist, some drizzle as we go through the night tonight. Otherwise, it's just cloudy, cool, and damp, and we wait on our next storm system. Note that there's not a whole lot happening between us and the central part of the country, but in the western states, well, now we are starting to see some action going on. This is well to the north of the California wildfires. Big storm system bringing mountain snows to the northern Rockies, and you can see that the jet stream here also is a bit of a dip, and that would indicate cooler air. This is the storm system that will be coming in on Sunday, so we've got some time to watch this thing evolve, and we've got some dry weather between here and there. But once this thing comes through, it is likely to dislodge some cooler air, and we will be back into a bit of a cool pattern by this time next week. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast, and you can see the scattered showers continuing. Now, we do have a northeast wind, and that is picking up some lake-enhanced moisture, so we actually have a lake effect band going west of Cleveland. This is into Sandusky, areas down around Findlay and whatnot. It's not producing a lot, probably just more scattered drizzle and some heavy mist, if there is such a thing. That's at least what's been showing up on the Cedar Point webcams that I've been keeping an eye on this evening. Other than that, we just have that patchy lake effect drizzle that's going to be along the lakeshore areas, especially west of Cleveland to start the day, and then a few random scattered showers left over from our storm system earlier today that'll kind of hang out as we go through the afternoon as well. So just about a 20% chance for that to take place, but I think by and large we'll have a dry day, maybe even a few peaks of sun going to be with us. Then once we get into Thursday night and Friday, things start to change. You see the direction of all of that changing. By Friday afternoon, nice southwesterly flow sets up. We get some sun in here, and I think temperatures are going to be boosting nicely into the 70s to wrap up the work and school week and kick off Friday night football as well. As far as tomorrow's forecast, we will start with the isolated rain chances. Temperatures going to be in the 50s, up to about 70 in the afternoon with clouds and some sun peaks. Then your forecast. Well, it does look like those partly cloudy skies will be with us on Friday. That is good news. Close to 80 degrees then on Saturday. I mentioned those shower and thunderstorm chances and the cooler air coming next week. That's that storm system in the Intermountain West. That is reflected in your Universal Windows Direct forecast. We hold 80 on Sunday. Storms come in, cold front comes through, temperatures drop back. You can see by this time next week we're sitting in the 60s with partly cloudy skies.
Okay, thanks, Betsy.